Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export and share reports with Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze campaign performance offline or share detailed analytics with your team or clients. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and enter your Mailchimp credentials to access your account. Make sure you're signing in with the account that contains the campaigns and reports you want to export. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll see various options for managing your account. Click on Analytics, and when you do, an expanded menu will appear with additional options. From this expanded menu, select Reports. This will take you to the Comprehensive Reports page where all your campaign data lives. Now you're on the Reports page, and this is where things get interesting. You'll see all your active campaigns displayed here, giving you a complete overview of your email marketing efforts. Look at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll spot a button labeled Download All Reports. This button is your gateway to exporting all your campaign data at once. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the reports download. A dialog box will appear titled Generate a Reports Export. Take a moment to read through the instructions provided as they explain how you'll receive the file and what it will contain. This ensures you understand the format and delivery method before proceeding. Once you've reviewed the information, click on Generate Report to initiate the export process. Mailchimp will now begin compiling all your campaign data into a downloadable format. Here's the important part. You won't receive the file immediately on screen. Instead, Mailchimp will send a zip file directly to your registered email address. This typically takes a few minutes depending on the amount of data being processed, so be patient and check your inbox. Once you receive that email containing the zip file, you have complete control over how to share it. You can simply forward that email to team members, clients, or anyone else who needs access to the reports, making collaboration and data sharing seamless. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Mailchimp reports and learned how to share them with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.